Hi techies, welcome to PIC series. This is Tiny Techie and today we are going to learn how to install MPLAB X IDE. Open any browser and search for the website, microchip.com, and there we go. Microchip is the official website for MPLAB software. Here, we can see many options. Scroll the mouse onto Tools and Resources and select Archives under this panel. Click on MPLAB Ecosystem, it directs us to Download page. Scroll down and here we can see a lot of versions. Go to last page. Up to version 5.35 we get all compilers inbuilt. And above versions have only C compilers. Let's select version 5.30, and the download has begun.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Finally downloaded. Click on Open File. Wait for few seconds, and the installation begins. Wait till installation page opens. Here we go. Click on Next and accept the agreement. Click Next until installation begins. You can change directory as per your wish. No change is preferred. Don't change any option here, until you want any customized version. And now we can see Installing tab here. It takes a while based on your machine.
10 minutes later.
Coming to the end, you can see two new shortcuts on your desktop. An yellow one and a black one. The black one will directly take you to the coding space. And installation done. The final page shows details regarding different compilers used in MPLAB. By clicking on Finish, documentation pages regarding MPLAB are opened in browser. Just close them, and double tap on the MPLAB shortcut, the black one. First time, it takes a while to open.
12 seconds later.
Finally, home page of the software. This shows successful installation of software. We are ready to code.